guys, it's Angie. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jason's grandma's corn egg drop soup. I always get really excited whenever she makes this because it just tastes so good. Usually I'll drink 1 bowl before dinner and 2 bowls after, and I secretly hope nobody else wants any more so I can finish it off too. And this is how she makes it. To make corn egg drop soup, we'll only need 6 ingredients, not including salt and white pepper. The first things we'll need are 1 large slice of ginger and 2.5 ounces of lean pork. I'll cut this up into tiny pieces so there's a bit of pork in every spoonful. As Jason's grandma puts it, we have to coat. We'll also need 1 can of corn, drained and rinsed, along with 3 beaten eggs. And here I have 4 cups of homemade chicken stock, which will be the base to our soup. I'm going to mix 2 tablespoons of this with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to make a slurry to thicken our soup. To make our corn egg drop soup, first we're going to bring our 4 cups of chicken stock to a boil. Next, I'm going to add in my 1 piece of ginger and pork, and be sure to stir the pork so it doesn't clump up together. Now that my pork has cooked for a few minutes, I'm going to add my corn in and bring the soup back to a boil. Then I'm going to add my cornstarch slurry. If you're not sure what consistency you like, you can add a little bit at a time, let it cook about a minute in between until it's to your liking. I'm going to add all of mine. I'm going to turn the heat down to a simmer, and now I'm going to stir my soup in a circular motion and slowly pour in my eggs so it creates really thin and silky strands. If I pour all the eggs in too quickly, it'll clump up, and that's not what you want. To finish it off, I'm going to add salt and white pepper. Give that a stir, and that's it. Now we're ready to eat. And that's how you make Jason's grandma's corn egg drop soup. The corn smells really good, and the corn, the egg, and the pork is just floating around in there because we thickened it up, and it's not sinking to the bottom, which is really great. So let's give it a try. There's a nice bite to the corn, and it adds sweetness to the soup. The eggs are also really silky and soft, and the ginger adds a little bit of warmth to it, which I really like. This tastes exactly like how Jason's grandma makes it, and I think she would be proud. If you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and tap the like button. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. The eggs are also really silky and soft.
Can you finish following before you talk?
Okay, stop it, I'll go again. And that's how you make I can't have the giggles. There's more in the pot.